Industry 4.0 is the fourth industrial revolution. It is the combination of the physical world and the cyber world into what we call digital manufacturing. This new wave of advanced manufacturing has changed the way people, data, and machines interact.
This rapid evolution of technology has created a major challenge for manufacturing employers. As automated systems become more and more complex, the demand for qualified workers with skills is on the rise.
It is essential to have access to high-quality training and equipment to prepare the students and the workers to fill these evolving roles in the manufacturing industry. As a global leader in automation, Festo Didactic is in a position to help higher education institutions innovate and to shift towards advanced manufacturing.
We need to work together in order to bridge the gap between education and employment. It's a great opportunity for our schools to make a change by ensuring that the skills being taught in the classroom are the ones that are needed in the real world of manufacturing.
We're actually training students on the equipment that is currently in the factory. We have new manufacturers knocking on our door every day, and it's because of our partnership with Festo that that's happened.
When these qualified instructors have access to the proper learning systems, resources, and curriculum, they are more effectively able to prepare students for successful careers in Industry 4.0.
Students receive hands-on learning on quality equipment aligned with Industry 4.0 standards. And as a result, students graduate with the skills and the confidence they need to work in advanced manufacturing.